Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily create a bootable USB for this Linux distribution. To begin, you will need to download the Linux Debian ISO file. Open your browser and type linux.org and hit enter. At this stage, you want to click on Download Linux on the top. Scroll down until you see Debian and click on Download Debian. At this stage, we are going to click on Download Mirrors. And here we will try to locate the one which is the closest one to our country. Please note that the download time varies due to the internet speed in your home or in your computer. So at this stage, I want the zip file. If you're not able to locate the correct one, you can always go back and find ISO image for Debian testing. And here you can choose the correct edition or the correct format. So for me, I will choose just this one, AMD 64, since it's compatible with my processor. Just waiting for the download to begin. After a few minutes, up to 2-3 minutes, you will see the download beginning and you will see finishing with .iso. You will need to wait a few minutes until the download is completed and your ISO file is ready to be used. As you can see, in my case, I have Debian here completely downloaded. I have renamed it and it's ready to be used as an ISO file. To begin, we are going to download Rufus software. So in the browser, type Rufus and hit enter. At this stage, click directly on Off Downloads under the Rufus website. Wait few seconds and it will be redirected to this page. Here, there will be several options. However, we are going to select the one compatible with Windows, the one which we can run on Windows. It ends with this extension, exe. For Linux or for Mac, you will have different options. So we're just going to select the first one. If you are not able to reach here, just go back to the website, type on the title or the name of the website, scroll down, and here you will be able to download. So we are going to download the standard version. You can also get the portable version. It goes back to the same. Once the download is completed, just click on it and double click on Rufus. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. The software will take a few seconds and then it should appear on the desktop. We're just waiting. Yeah, here it comes. It might take a few seconds. And here we have Rufus ready to be used. Next step, make sure to select the correct device on which you want to set up the Debian distribution. Make sure that boot selection disk or ISO image, click select. Locate your Debian ISO file and double click. Leave all the settings by default and you can actually rename it as you like. And as a next step, just click start. You want to make sure that your storage device, if it's a USB flash drive or if it's an SD card or an external hard disk, you want to make sure that it doesn't contain any data because it's going to be formatted. So I'm going to just select the recommended option and click OK. I will click yes, and I will click again yes. Click again OK for the format, and the process shall start. If you face any errors or issues during this process, just leave us the name of the error code that you are getting, and we'll do our best to help you. I will just pause the video here, and I'm going to take back once the process is done to show you what is the next step. Once the process is over, it will show you ready, and we're going to just click on close. Open the PC shortcut. Locate your hard disk or the storage device on which you have selected to set up the Debian Linux. Double click on it, and here you will have all the files ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.